Fujifilm x-t4 review. Wired lists this camera as their choice for best on a budget, labeling it one of the best values in the camera market. This camera offers 26 megapixels, and though it does not have a full-frame sensor, it is well known for producing quality images while also pumping out 4K video. For those worried about camera shake when taking handheld shots, this model does have in-body image stabilization. B&H Photo writes that the built-in 5-axis sensor shift image stabilization helps to minimize the appearance of camera shake by up to 6.5 stops. Much like the Sony above, this does have a vari-angle screen that articulates, making this another option for vloggers. If you are into taking action shots, this Fuji will give you 15 frames per second shooting. And of its autofocus capabilities, Wired mentions its significant autofocus improvements compared to its predecessor.